My name is Lucia for Akron Media Production, and today we're going to be asking questions about MLK for Martin Luther King Jr. Day. Who am I here with?
You're here with Damasara.
In what day was MLK born?
He was born probably in the 1910s.
No, it's actually January 15th, 1929. You're really close, though. Who am I here with?
Mason.
And where was Martin Luther King born?
Florida.
It's incorrect. He was actually born in Atlanta, Georgia. But you were really close. Who am I with?
Ethan Robinson.
And where did Martin Luther King have his famous I Have a Dream speech?
DC.
Yeah, that's correct. Yeah, with Lincoln Memorial in Washington, D.C. You are correct. Who am I with?
Tessa.
And what award was given to Martin Luther King?
Nobel Peace Award.
That is correct. That was awesome.
Thank you.
Who am I with?
Memphis.
And where was Martin Luther King assassinated?
I don't know.
It was Memphis, Tennessee.